So, customer states was driving and heard a popping noise coming from the driver's side front. Now the car got a little lean to it. Ooh. Yeah, I say that's leaning just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now let's take it up top. So now that we're under the vehicle, we're looking around, we're looking at it, doing a quick inspection. Exhaust is not bad shape. We got some, well, a little more than surface rust, but here's the lean. Ooh, we got a busted coil. Look at that. Where's the rest of it? Huh. At least the passenger side is all right.